You might not have been expecting us so soon. Surprise, surprise, we've snuck something extra in. It's not like us. So we're here with a new add-on. So if you don't know, we've got add-on or add-on packs, which are little extras that make our existing patterns, one of our existing patterns, into something brand new and exciting. And they just give you a little bit more bang for your buck in your pattern. We always like to do a lot of versions anyway, but it just adds some more to the mix. And we thought it was about time that our ultimate t-shirt pattern, so one of our best sellers, I think we can say, which came out, I'm going to say about 2.5 years ago. It was spring.
March. I want to say 2.5 years.
Either 1.5 or 2.5 years ago. I know we were in our old office.
We definitely were.
But it could have been 2.5 years.
I feel like it might be, because I feel like I've been here 1.5 years and I wasn't.
You weren't here for the ultimate t-shirt?
Oh, well then.
Yeah.
Oh, officially then.
There we go.
It's older than me.
Older than me. Oh my goodness. There you have it. So, the 2.5-year-old definitely ultimate t-shirt pattern now has its own add-on. It is the ultimate t-shirt roll neck add-on.
Yes.
It's quite a lot of words, but it's very descriptive for what it is.
It is. It's exactly. It does what it says on the tin.
Neck for sure.
Yeah, the roll neck.
Yeah, for short is the roll neck. Yeah.
And we've obviously made our own versions
yes.
as well. Because it's so quick to sew.
Yeah. Incredibly quick.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say the ultimate t-shirt is so quick anyway. I would say this neckband
it's quicker.
is actually, this neck is quicker than the neckband. Because you have to finish the neckband then with like understitching and do you not do it for this? I didn't do it.
I didn't.
Yeah, okay, good.
No, I was thinking you do fancier things on the t-shirt.
You definitely do fancier things on the scoop and the crew and the V-neck.
Yeah. But it's also just smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. So quick. I honestly want one in every single colour.
So
I made
wearable.
2. Well, I made 3 actually, because I made a hack of the ultimate t-shirt a year ago, back in the day. And my thinking was like, we don't have a roll neck in our catalogue. Now we do. And because we love our ultimate t-shirt, it's a really nice shape. It's quite fitted without being too tight. I love it for layering already, because it just fits under things quite well, because it hugs the body. And now with the roll neck, I mean, roll necks for me mean layering.
Yeah.
Completely.
Very autumn.
It's working so well. So what your Winona?
Winona jumpsuit, which I made in a needle cord. To make it more autumnal, and with the thought of wearing it with a turtleneck, and look at that.
so good.
So yeah, it's just the perfect layering piece, but also with all of your me-made or ready-to-wear bottoms. Just works.
That's it. I've got my black Ava. I'm not ready to wear tights yet, personally. No. I'm still a bit warm.
I'm not even ready.
But that black Ava is sitting in my wardrobe, waiting to be worn with a black roll neck.
Beautiful.
It's going to be the best sort of autumn-winter outfit.
Perfect. And I mean, it's one of those things that I feel like it's comfy and warm. So to me, it means autumn-winter completely. And as we said, it doesn't take much to make at all. And in terms of fabrics,
well, we have all gone. No, you've got a bamboo jersey.
Bamboo jersey.
I've got a cotton jersey.
This is a cotton loop back.
Oh yeah, yours is a bit thicker.
Yeah.
But I love it. If you show like the neck, I think it holds its shape really nicely. I love that.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it would work, because but it feels really cozy. That's why I've got the short sleeves, because then it's a bit warmer, but still.
I love
Are
that.
you in cotton jersey?
I'm in cotton jersey.
Yeah, that's like the classic. And actually, we do have some kits available, 4 different colours of cotton jersey. So we've got colour same as Alma's. We've got black, green, and then also we've got the pink that Emily Sample is made out of. So those include all the fabric and pattern instruction supplies that you need to make any version of the ultimate t-shirt or the roll neck add-on.
Which is amazing. That's actually so many variations.
And you get the digital files to keep forever, so you can make, like, I feel like this particular pattern you want to make one time with the roll neck, one time with the v-neck, one time with long sleeves, one time with short sleeves. So you can do all of those things.
Just use it over and over again. And actually, if you hold up that Emily Sample again, one thing to note is that the pattern and the add-on come in a full range of sizes, 6 to 30. The 18 to 30 block has an extra bust up, which just helps with fitting. so you might be able to see it. There's no bust dart on the 6 to 20s, so it's just a little extra for better shaping, better fitting, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
we've got short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, and you guys on the long sleeve. So it's like every kind of t-shirt you could ever want.
Basically, now you're covered.
Yeah.
Like, there's a bit of everything. And yeah, I think, what else is there to say? But you're gonna see us wear this a lot.
And with all add-on patterns, you will need the original pattern
Very good point.
to make it work. So specifically for this add-on, for the roll neck, in the add-on pattern, you'll just get a little section that you stick onto your original pattern that changes the neckline and changes the shape up here a little bit, and of course you get the roll neck bit, but you'll want the ultimate t-shirt pattern
Yes.
to base that onto. That's important.
And just to say that was the tricky bit, getting the correct neckline, because it is a very easy hack, you know, you could give it a go on your own, but it's finding the balance of where the neckline changes to allow for the roll neck. I think we've basically saved you time and effort, and we've done the new pattern pieces and the new instructions, so it's all there for you. It's a nice, helpful little extra, to be honest.
It is definitely save you even more time for your quickest autumn winter sew, I think.
Honestly, so fast.
So hashtags.
Yes. So because of the mouthful that is the name, we're just going for SOI roll neck. Easy. But please do remember that it's an add-on you need to use with the Ultimate T-shirt pattern. There you go. So easy. No, but SOI roll neck, I expect to see many of every possible colour. I think people will really enjoy having this pattern as a go-to. As I say too, also it doesn't take loads of fabric, so you know, when you pick up some nice jersey that you're not sure what to make with, pick this, you'll use it all the time.
So as always, we cannot wait to see your versions pop up. As Alma said, the much shorter hashtag is SOI roll neck. We'll be sharing ours. Hopefully there'll be some other versions popping up soon, and we'll be back soon enough with, I can't remember off the top of my head what's coming next, but there might be some jeans.
There might be some jeans which Chloe's kind of wearing already, so you know, we finished them, we actually finished them, but yeah, Jeans Club is coming soon, the final Jeans Club.
That's it.
The final.
Showdown. And always there is another new pattern coming fairly soon.
Yes.
We'll be at the Knit and Stitch show if you're in London, and you can make it to Alexandra Palace in October. And the big stuff as well. So there's so much stuff. There's so much stuff. Just have a look on YouTube, have a look on the socials, and see what you think. Yeah, we can't wait to see your versions of the SOI